how to replace a front cracked screen on an iPhone 12 Pro. We'll be removing the 2 screws here at the very bottom. Once you have removed the 2 screws, then you can open up the screen. You then now can remove the bracket and disconnect this proximity sensor. Alright, so the next step I would like to do is to transfer the proximity sensor, the ear speaker here in the front, over to the new screen. Let's go ahead and reconnect everything back together. Do not forget the bracket. Let's put it back in. And then crunch it down on every single corner. And that should have it. And do not forget to put the screw back together.